Elevate your organizational prowess with the London School of Planning and Management. Are you ready to become the cornerstone of business operations? Our administration course at LSPM is your key to mastering the art of organization, from efficient office management to streamlined workflow optimization. With LSPM, you'll learn to navigate the complexities of modern administration, ensuring seamless operations and maximizing productivity at every turn. Join us and become the driving force behind business success. Enroll now at LSPM and let's streamline the path to excellence together, one administrative skill at a time. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.